Hi everyone, this is M. Krishna Sai. My registration number is URK18CS238. In this section, we are going to discuss about the experiment 4, that is CPU scheduling algorithm. And in CPU scheduling algorithm, we are going to discuss about the full algorithm, that is first come first serve and short term short job and the priority and the round bound scheduling algorithms. And we are going to discuss these algorithms using the C and C++, and you can see on the screen. And these are the types of the processing algorithms, that is FCFS and SJF, and the priority and the roundabout. The FCFS means the is, is that the algorithm which comes first. It will take the first one, that means first in first out has the queue, and it will take which come the first, and it will take the first one. And here it is the algorithm. Here algorithm is to get the number of processes, and we have under the time burst also, and we are going to take the average waiting time and the average rounding time of first serve, that is FCFS, first come and first serve. And we are going to discuss of the shortest job first algorithm also. And here you can see what is the fastest job algorithm is, which comes the shortest priority. We will take the shortest priority, and this is the shortest job scheduling algorithm. This is the algorithm, and in this also you are going to calculate the average waiting time and average turnaround time. And third one is the priority scheduling, that which comes the higher priority we are going to execute first, and we are going to execute the first, and it will be going on in the same way. In this section also we are going to discuss about the average waiting time and the average turnaround time, and the last one is the round robin scheduling algorithm. This is also same, and in the round robin algorithm we are going to perform different from the three others, that is quantum. Here we are going to include the quantum, and it is more similar to the FCFS scheduling algorithm, but it added to the switch between the process. And here is the question: we have to implement the CPU scheduling algorithm using the whether C++ or the Python, and we are going to do FCFS and SJF and the round robin and the priority algorithms. And these are the sample inputs and outputs we are going to see now. And here I have written the some program for the FCFS. Here I am included the header files, that is /include user namespace, and we are going to do in the programs in C++. And the header files of the C++ is these are. And here I am initializing int n and bt20 and bt20 tat20. Average waiting time is 0 and average turnaround time I am initializing as a 0. Here I am going to enter the number of processors. Here I am going to enter the number of burst time. For entering the burst time, this is the code we are going to do. And here you can see the process, how it will be calculated, which will come it, how it will calculated by which come first or the which, and average of the first the turns. And we are going to see the output. And what we are going to do the inputs is, here I am here the inputs of the FCFS is you have to enter the number of processes as 3 and the burst time as 24, and followed by a 3. Here I am going to enter. I am in the window. Here I am going to enter the 3 as a number of processes. I am entering the burst time as 24 and 3. You can see the output now, FCFS. These are the processes P1 and P2 and P3. Burst time I have given is 24:33, and waiting time is 0, 24, 23, and turnaround time is 24, 27, 23. Here in Gantt chart we can, and it calculates the average waiting time has a 17 and the average turnaround time has a 27, and we are going to do the shortest job scheduling algorithm. And I have written the code also here. It's the code, and same as FCFS, I initialize the same header files and the initialize the inputs, and here I am going to enter the number of processes and the burst time. What is the difference between FCFS and SJFS? SJF is in FCFS we are going to take first come first serve, but in the SJF we are going to do the shortest, which is in the shortest path. We are going to take that. Here I have written the code, and we are going to see the output now, and we are going to take the input as number of processes as 4 and 6873, and I am going to enter the number of processes as 4. The burst time for the process 1 is 6, 8, 7. You can see the average waiting time and the average turnaround time on the screen, and we are going to discuss about the latter round robin algorithm. Same as FCFS and that is SJF, and initialize all the codes here. But the major differences in the round robin algorithm were included in the quantum, and here I am included the processes has initialized as a I am initializing the processes is 3, and the burst time has a 24 and 3 and 3, and I am given the quantum in the earlier as a 3, and you can see the output now. You can see the average waiting time has a 5 and average turnaround time has a 15, and we are going to look into the priority algorithm. What this priority algorithm is, which is high priority we are going to execute first, and so on, and same as that we are going to only include the priority, and I have initialized the all codes here. We are going to calculate the which comes the priority first, what is the average waiting time and average turnaround time, and here is the, and this is the priority, and I am going to enter 5. We are going to enter the burst time and the priority of the processes. 1 space 1 enter, 2 space 4 enter, 1 space 5 enter, 5 space 2 enter. You can see the on the screen that average waiting time and average turnaround time for the priority algorithm. And these are the CPU scheduling algorithms of the FCFS and the SJF and round robin and the priority algorithms. Thank you.